Guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Nisi, the beauty icon. So I just wanted to show you guys some of the units that I created, and I wanted to model them for you so you can see. So here's the first removable quick weave unit. It's a Pixie Cut all black unit that comes in a standard size that's guaranteed to fit any size head. And this is the color 1, jet black, for those of you guys who like it. So this is one of the bob cut units with 2 colors intertwined into it, just to give it that dimension. And you can kind of curl it and play with it however you want to play with it. But I just always like to do like relaxed curls in it, just to have, so it'll have that movement. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like from the other angles. You guys can see that, but here I'm gonna make sure that this is that way. So there you have it, one of my short units. And again, you can curl it any kind of way you want to curl it. It doesn't matter. You know, you create your own style. It is human hair, so you know, if you want to cut into it or curl it or crinkle it or whatever you want to do to it, you can do just about anything to this unit. Now, it's not sewed in. It's one of the ones that are glued down. So, and still, even with the glue down with units, you still can use it, shampoo it. It's glued down pretty good. I'm so excited, guys. I love making these units. So here's another topper unit, a quick weave topper, and I'm just gonna lay it on top of my hair. And bring it forward. And here's where I can begin to play. So the next one I'm going to show you is not a quick weave unit, it's a frontal unit. So watch this look. So we're just going to take and comb these curls back. So this one doesn't have a home yet, but it's up for grabs. And I think I'm gonna pull it a little bit further towards my face. Yeah, so that's the one. What do you guys think? And so here is where it ends. And it's nice and light. It's not heavy at all. It feels good. And you see the curls are sticking with it. So this is up for grabs. If anybody want it, you can inbox me. And it's yours. I like to pull it forward so that look, yeah, nice and full. That's it for today, guys. If you're interested in purchasing any of these units, the link will be in the description bar. See you guys next time, and you be blessed.